guys, John here, Motor T Scale Models. So I have been wanting to build this 78 Dodge pickup truck for a very long time, and I finally got my hands on this kit. So it's an MPC 1/25th scale, and it looks like it's going to be awesome. It's got a little mini bike that goes with it. Don't really care too much for that, but I've got a go-kart off another car that I haven't put together yet either. I may end up doing those, not for sure. But this is a fairly nice kit. Let me put my cheaters on. This is from Round 2 Models, and it looks like it is, I can't see what the date that it come out. I'll look it up and see if I can figure. Oh, it is a 2021 release from Round 2 Models. So looks like it's got a lot of good fun stuff in it that I'm gonna put together. I got some ideas I'm gonna do with it. It comes with this V8 engine. Looks like it's got a toolbox and a jack. I love that. Little oscillating light, floodlight, whatever you want to call it. A couple of chrome lights for the front bumper, or for the front. It's got a nice little decal sheet or decal sheet, however you want to call it. So I've got some ideas on this. I'm going to do this kind of as if somebody bought this truck and they're going to fix it up. So may not be like it was back in the day, but it's going to be if somebody was to find this in a barn and was to redo it. So that's my plan. But let's take a look and see what's on the inside of this kit. And I'm going to set it to the side over here. Let me put that back there. And first off, we have our chrome tree, and it looks like, I don't know what that is right there, so we're going to find out here real quick together. Oh, it's another set of chrome. So let's see what this must be. The little lights. Nope. Might be the hubcaps. I think that's what that is. Little bitty hubcaps. Okay. That's cool. Oh. Well, I was thinking about using these right here, but it appears that I have a set of those in there. So that's pretty good. May have a little bit of cleanup inside. A couple of these doesn't look like they got cleaned out very well, so not crazy about the headlight thing, but that's alright. We can work around that. So nice little side mirrors there. I like those. More of a 1970 version right there, in my opinion. But anyway, so that is the chrome. So let's see what else we have here. You have your clear. I'm not going to take it out. Everybody's kind of seen the clear with your tail lights. So comes with 2 steel axles. You've got the body here. So let's take this out and take a look at the body. So it's to me it's a pretty little plain, simple truck bed, but I love these air trucks. They look very, very nice. Got a little bit of cleanup. It is an MPC, but that's okay. A little bit of cleanup to it. We'll get it going good. Bed looks okay. So, love the fact that it's got this piece of chassis right here. That kind of helps it to. I have problems when I build my pickup trucks that the beds don't tend to line up. Okay, we got some either some white wall tires or just some plain black wall tires. This looks like it might be the dash and maybe some wheel parts. Let's take a look real quick. Dash needs a little bit of cleanup, but I think it'll be okay. A little bit of cleanup on the edges there. The tailgate. That's your obviously your little jack, some suspension pieces. Oh, mini bike parts, plastic mini bike. That's why I don't really care for those that much. Some steelies, kind of steelies. That's the hubcaps that'll go with the chrome hubcaps that we got. Whoa, sorry about that. Got too big of a hurry. And oops. Okay, so we have the interior tub. Like that might be maybe, not sure what that piece right there is for. We'll find out here in a little bit. You got your firewall, you got your it's got dual exhaust on it, radiator, spare tire, toolbox battery, steering wheel. Looks really good, good detail on that. Engine components. Don't know if I'll build this engine right here. I might, don't know. And then wheel backings and the hood. And we got our decals. I'll take those out because I usually don't use the decals. I may use one or two of them, but I don't normally use the decals. No, I don't really see a whole lot on there that I like. I'll might save this for another build. We will see, but you could do it as like a lawn care service, motorcycle repair shop, or something along that line. So, and then MPC instruction sheet, which not bad, but it don't really, not really a whole lot to it, as you can see. But it's got some good detail in it. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Alright guys, so what I got to do is I got to figure out what color I'm going to use for this truck. Don't know if I am going to use these. I like these right here. Pegasus makes really good spoked rims, or I may go with the standard slot rims that comes with this. I don't know. Still got to kind of make that decision. We'll have some good rims and hubcaps left over for sure. So I also got these things right here, which I might use to kind of customize a little bit. Don't know. They kind of go kind of like that. Anyway, alright guys, we're going to jump on this and we will talk to you later. Hey guys. Alright, so here's where we're at so far, and this is a kit that has really been going together pretty easily. Therefore, that's why I don't have any video of me building the motor or the engine or any of the sub chassis assembly. It just all kind of went together really good. The one thing I do have to work on is the air breather's not on there level. I'm going to take it back off and re-level it out. But so far I think the lower chassis has gone together really well. The pipes and everything went on there good. So she's looking pretty good so far. Not a whole lot to this. It's a very simplistic kit. As you can see, I got the interior done. It's not looking too bad. And here in a second I'm going to show you where I'm at on the but this is really getting close to being buttoned up. So just want to kind of throw out a real quick video just to kind of show you guys where I'm at. So hold on tight and I will show you where we're at on the body and the bed. Alright guys, so we've got the body and the bed set up, and I think she's turned out pretty dadgum good. I still got to do my my chrome and everything like that, which I'll get to that, but I think the paint job turned out extremely well. This is the Hunter Green, and I really like the way it kind of turned out. So she is going to come along really well. I'm going to finish this up. The next video will be the final results of the build. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Hey guys, John here. So I finished up on the 1978 Dodge D100. This was an MPC kit, obviously, like I said before. It's a very fun kit to put together. However, when I put this kit together, it seems like it has a bit of a Carolina squat going on here. If you catch what I'm seeing. So I'm not sure what is causing this. I'm going to reach in here and take some stuff out of the back. So as I turn this over, the leaf springs are right where the leaf springs are supposed to be at. These are the ones that came with the kit. These are not the same tires that came with the kit, but they are the same height as the ones that come with the kit. It just, and as far as the front end goes, the front end is in the exact place it's supposed to be in. So for whatever reason, it's got a little bit of a squat to the back. I love how this came with the little go-kart. I'm sorry, little go-kart, little mini bike that goes with it. I wasn't going to do the mini bike, but I decided, what the heck, might as well get the mini bike done. Let's see if I can get the top or the hood off. So when I was doing this, I used a rattle can paint, just kind of a little cheap rattle can paint, and I got a little bit of orange peel. I tried to clean it off, and it didn't come off too well, but I figured, you know what, it is what it is. I'm going to go with it. I had fun building this kit. Everything went together really well. The bed fit on just perfect. So, very pleased with the kit. If you guys get a chance to pick up this MPC 1978 Dodge D100, I recommend grabbing it. Like I said, maybe, I don't know what I did, but apparently something I did caused it to have a little bit of a squat to the back end. So, it is what it is. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment. I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, thank you for coming and checking it out. If you are already a viewer, I appreciate all the information you guys provide to me throughout these videos. I have been a little bit behind on reviewing videos just because the wife and I have been doing a lot of traveling. My wife's brother, who is elderly, recently had some surgery in Michigan. We live in Texas, so since March we've had to make 3 drives, I should say, up to the Michigan area to help get him kind of settled in. He ends up being in a assisted living afterwards, so we've been pretty busy, but I will get back into it and start looking at them. I want to say, hey, I'm sorry that it's taking me so long to kind of get back out to the reviews, but I am going to start doing it again once we're back off the road, which we should be for quite a while. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Leave a like if you like what you see, share it if you like it, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Thanks a lot, guys.
Tie down.